How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday we showcase a model right here on the lot. And today it goes by the name of the Meridian S64F, and the F stands for real. You need to come out here and check this house out. What makes the S64F so great is, guys, when you first walk into the entrance, this is what you're greeted with. You got a nice entranceway right here that you can showcase a nice piece of art, a picture, or if it was me, I would put a flat screen TV right there and display the rest of the home. Because this home is so big, it's gonna take you a long time to do the tour, but I'm gonna try to knock it out for you real quick. You guys follow me this way, and as you can see, you got the beautiful living area. You got the nice stone fireplace with the mantle above. You can put a flat screen right above that and you're good to go. Have bookshelves on both sides that adds more decor options for you. Also, really adds a great elegance to this room. And if you look right above, you see we have the nice tray ceiling, giving that great site-built feel with the recessed lighting throughout. You also can see throughout the home, we have crown molding going every inch of this house. Every inch of the roof, you got the crown molding going throughout. And guys, you follow me this way as well. And we'll start with the first wing of this house. I'll say wing because it's so big. You guys follow me this way. We're going to the first guest room. Look how big this room is. There's so much room in here for everything that you need. You got a walk-in closet right there. We're going to the second one just to show you there's no downsizing in this room as well. You come in here, you got the huge room, and then if you look right here, we got the walk-in closet, so you can see how big that actually is. And guys, what makes it so great is that you got the first guest bath right here also. If you look, you got the built-in sink with the cabinets right above. And guys, this is a nice tile shower with the mosaic styling in between and with the nice glass door as well. Opens and closes at your convenience. And guys, this is most like some people's master baths. If you look at this, a lot of people come to this home, they come to this bathroom first. They say, this is a great master bath. I say, guys, just wait. You'll see what's on the other side. You follow me this way? We'll go right through the dining area. This room and this home has a great open concept. You see there's a nice flow. You can fit a large table in here, enough to accommodate plenty of guests. And you still got that open concept that leads right into the kitchen. You see these beautiful archways separating the two rooms. You got a huge island right here with the bar up right here in the middle that you can put two stools on the side, sit down and eat as well. You got all the top of the line appliances, stainless steel, side-by-side refrigerator, nice convection oven right above. And guys, it leads perfectly right over here to your laundry area. Just right here on the side, you got an access door right here on the back, so you can come in, kick off your shoes, and walk right in. You guys follow me this way. The end of this kitchen doesn't stop here. Just want to show you this nice barn door. Has a nice stained color to it. You open it up, and you have plenty of space in there for everything that you need. We'll follow right this way. And guys, what house is it without a built-in desk? Look at this right here. All this ample space for you with cabinets up above, drawers down below, nice little work area for you, and it leads perfectly into the other wing of the house. And yes, it's the wing you never want to come out of. You follow me right this way? This is the master. And I feel like the master when I walk in here. Guys, look at this. It's a king-size bed in here, and it looks like a twin baby bed in here right now, guys. It's so big, so much space, and what adds the great elegance is the tray ceiling right above in your master, making it feel one of a kind. And it doesn't stop there, guys. If you follow me this way, look at this walk-in closet. Oh my gosh. What walk-in closet you know got a window in the walk-in closet? I've had a lady say she can fit a nursery in here, have a newborn baby, just put the crib in here, and hey, you're good to go. Wake up in the middle of the night, come tuck the baby in, milk it, you're good to go. Guys, follow me this way. And this is my favorite part of this house, is the master bath. This master bath has everything that you need. Follow me right this way, and we're gonna start with this shower because I can't stop talking about it when I come into this house. You guys follow me right this way. Enough room in here for a whole football team. If you look up above, you got the nice rain shower head. You got another head coming off to the side. There's ample space in here for whatever you want to do. You got a big German Shepherd, a big Mastiff Rottweiler, they can all come in here and take a shower with you also. There's enough room for everybody. You guys follow me this way. For those that don't like to take a shower, like to relax in the bath, a couple of sections around the side that you have a couple candles lit, read a nice book, enjoy a nice glass of wine. Got the dual sinks right here as well, the his and her sinks with the mirrors on both sides, so both of you can look at yourself while you're getting ready. What makes it so great also is you got the toilet right here with the door to close. So you can close off while you're handling your business. And then guys, you come back out this way and you'll see how large this house really is. You follow me back through, you can see this master is humongous. Got the built-in desk, the nice top-of-the-line kitchen, the archways leading you throughout, and then you lead right back in here to the living area. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to another multi-section Monday. Tuning in to this home, the Meridian S64F. Remember to come see it in person. Ask for Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and ask for that deal that you won't be able to refuse, because I promise I can deliver one. You guys have a great day.